What's up guys, for today's video we're talking about a mod that I had done that a lot of people are interested and have been watching my videos on, and that is the GT style flip key FOB. So with this you have the lock, trunk, unlock, and panic. When we press the the unlock button, our headlight turns on and marker lights and our tail light. When we press the lock, it just blinks. The trunk works, everything works great. So with this, here's our key. Press that button, it flips out. Press and hold it in, put it and close it. It works great. A lot of people wonder where I got my little decal on the back here. I actually got that separately from the key. I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this key and where you can get the little decal on the back that you just stick on. So check out the link in my video description if you're interested in this. Now I want to point out a few things, and that would be, one, if you want to program this key to work, you have to do it yourself or have a Ford dealership do it for you. Now you need to have two, that's right, two stock OEM keys, ignition keys. You need to have two of them to program your new FOB key yourself. So let's start off in the beginning to help you guys out. Number one, you order this key online. You order the back little decals if you like them. Order it online. You get the key. Sometimes the key is not complete and you got to put it together and put the battery in. It's not that hard. You go ahead and do that. Then you have this part. This will be blank. It will not be cut. Go to your local Ford dealership and ask them to cut it. All you need is one OEM key and they can cut this key for you for free. Now mine did it for free. Check around at a couple Ford dealerships. If they try to charge you, maybe one will do it for free. Worst case scenario, you'll have to pay. A locksmith can also cut it for you as well. Okay, once you do that, you have your key. Now here comes the issue. To program your buttons, anybody can do it with one stock key of your car. Anybody can program these on off buttons, you know, unlock and panic and whatnot. The problem comes to programming the chip in here for your key to work in your ignition. For that you need two stock OEM keys. Two stock OEM keys to program this key and any other new FOB keys that you have yourself. Now if you don't have two, one will not work. As far as I'm told, I never tried doing it with one, but I'm told one will not work. And if you only have one key, you have to go get a second key made at Ford or have Ford program the key themselves, and I think it could be anywhere from $150 to $400. That's just what guys have said. So I love it. It's well worth it. For me, I had two stock OEM keys. I programmed everything myself. Ford cut the keys for free, so basically the only cost was for the actual FOB and the decal. I'm happy with it. Links in the video description. Definitely awesome. Better than the nasty stock ones.